Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Flashback Friday video. So today is Saturday. We are actually about to go skating. We're about to go to my grandma's house to meet Mamie and Caitlin and to clean the windows. Tiosha's driving, so I'm in the passenger seat. And there's so much pollen on these windows. Y'all, I almost got attacked by bees coming out the house just now. OMG, I am not ready for that. Not ready for the bees, wasps, or anything. But anyway, we're about to go skating. And guys, I found a lens for my camera. You guys remember I told you guys that I want to start back vlogging with my camera instead of my phone. But I need to find a lens. Affordable lens, because I went back to pay $200 for a lens when the camera itself was only $400. You know, like, it just doesn't make sense. So, or $500. It doesn't make sense to me. So I found a lens for only $40, and it's the exact same lens that came with not my camera but the one that's like right after it or something like that. It's the kit lens that comes with some of those Sony cameras. It's the longer one, and it was only $40. So I'm actually gonna order it either tonight or tomorrow, but I'm gonna order it and hopefully it'll be in soon. And Tiosha's here. Hi. She doesn't want to go. That's why she's like, yeah. But we have to make Tiosha come out the house. We do. But yeah, we're on the way now to grandmother's house.
I didn't even go out on the floor. I wasted my $3 because I'm scared. There's too many people in here to fall. And then, like, you remember last time I came, I fell and I hurt my hip for like a year.
It was only like 2 weeks.
I'm gonna try. Oh. I'm gonna be second place out here.
Boy, he getting it, boy. He's killing it. He's running to the show, y'all. He gone, boy. He said, bump out, zoom. Yeah, Book ain't in y'all. Oh. I'm gonna be running. Oh, man. Look at that, y'all. That boy can skate for real. Yeah. Everybody get y'all, that boy can skate. Look at that boy. He can really skate. That boy is killing me. They don't get no food. Oh, nah, you gotta go, girl. Oh, shit. He go again. Now, he was just 8 to 10. What they win? You did good, though. You did good, boo. Yeah. And then she was like, help me back. Help me back. Help me back. I'm not following today. You got the truck. I did. They
Y'all keep it back to go right there.
Why she got on the little children's skates? You see the little children's skates are blue and yellow.
Oh, Keevie.
Yeah, keep going with you.
Y'all look at them skates. Them kids skates. Look at Keevie. I'm proud of you, boo.
Go Keevie!
Hey. Oh, they playing. Look, look, look.
What's that? What's that?
She ready to give up.
Keevie, you can't give up this early.
They played Cardi B and she got nervous. I'm tired. Apparently we can't stay. We can't stay.
Why didn't you win skate?
Cause I can't skate.
Why you skate so?
Cause I thought I could still skate, but I can't. I didn't want to fall. Did you have fun? He gone. Hey guys, what's up? What is that on my phone? I don't know. I have to peel it off in a minute. But today is Sunday, and not Sunday, Monday. Today is Monday. I just finished filming, and actually I finished a few ago. I'm about to head to downtown Columbia. I have to go to the bank because our bank is down there. Because we have different banks. We have for different reasons, obviously. And then I'm gonna stop and get me some Jamaican food, y'all. So I came down here and this place has parallel parking. I haven't parallel parked since I got my license, so I'm praying to God that I am in this park right. I just kind of like pulled in and came up like 3 parks just to make sure I was in here right. So I just left the bank and I'm about to go get my food. I don't actually know where the place, well, I know where the place is at. I know it's across from Benedict, where my mom and dad went to college at, but I think I know how to get there from here. Yeah, I think I know how to get there. But I found it. This is Island's Grill. It's everything lit, everything a go. But it's an authentic Jamaican restaurant, so let's go in and see how good the food is. Hopefully it's good. I'm kind of nervous. Hey guys, so I am out now. The guy in there that worked in there, he was so precious and he was like so sweet. But he gave me, they didn't have any plantains or paintings, however you say it, but he did give me mac and cheese and yams because it came with 2 sides, and because they didn't have plantains, he gave me both mac and cheese and yams, so that was really sweet of him. And I got a chicken patty too. Let me show you guys. It's the chicken patty. I don't want to pull it out way out because it's hot. And then this is my food. It looks really good because he showed it to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, it looks really good. It's probably fogged at the camera. I'm trying to focus it. Hold on. There you go. Looks really, really good. So I'm trying to figure out the best route to go home. I tried the meat patty. I got the chicken curry one and it's good. Like really good. Look at that. That's a cute song. Okay, so I'm about to head to Walmart. I gotta go to the pharmacy. Sorry, I'm eating candy. Them almond M&Ms are so good. Like I bought them, the ones I bought yesterday, the pink bag. Oh, they're so good.
I am so full, guys. That Jamaican food was the bomb.com. I only ate like 2 of the oxtails, I think, because I got full. Okay guys, so I just left Walmart. Hopefully they have, I'm doing like a little DIY project for like these plants, like a plant idea I got in mind. I haven't really been able to find it on Pinterest. And then I'm reorganizing some things in my room, so I needed to get some shelves. So I was, some baskets. So I was gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get some, but then I found these little really cute, let me show you, really cute gold baskets. They were $2. So I went to Dollar Tree, went to Walmart and got those too. So I think I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and see if I can find a cute basket that would go with them, so I can organize the stuff, and then hopefully I can find the plant that I'm looking for, or the faux plant that I'm looking for, in the Dollar Tree. If not, I know it's in Walmart because I showed it to you guys in the past vlog, and I'll just have to come back over here and get 3 of those. I always stop to look at the makeup they have, and they have these little elf glosses and stains and stuff, and Wet n Wild brushes. That's it. So let's see, get this one, it goes with it, so I'll just get this one. Never knew they had those. I do have to run back into Walmart really quick and get the plants, because I did want to do that DIY today, and since I'm still over here by it, I'm just gonna run back in there and get it really quick. Okay, so they actually have 3 of these. Yeah. They usually have those too, but I don't know. Excuse my appearance. I have not washed my face yet, and I just finished cleaning up, so I need to wash my face because I'm sweaty. But anyway, I am about to do my DIY. Here's my plan. So my plan is to take this little tree thingy out, because I really like this marble what is it, base this is in. I don't know what you call this, and it comes out. So my plan is to take that out and to some kind of way make this cute in here. Yeah, and then there it is, guys. I think it turned out really cute, actually. Those plants were, what, $6 there. I got 3 of them for $2, and then I just used the old little base that was already here. I think it turned out really cute. Really cute. I love it. Hey guys, happy, what's today? Tuesday. Yes, happy Tuesday. So I am actually about to go to Publix now. Teosha is driving. She actually going with me because for once she finally got up and got ready, because like my mama physical therapy people came over today, and my grandmother and May came over, so there's a lot of people at our house today. So we are actually about to go get dinner now. We were looking at the Publix, we were looking at TV, and my mama wanted to try those Publix hot wings because we seen a commercial for them. So we're gonna go get those, see if they have regular, because she can't really eat hot, and then we're gonna get some chicken, and we're gonna eat salad. So I'm in the mood for an Olive Garden salad, so I'm gonna do that. But I think everybody else is just making like their own salads, but I'm gonna get Olive Garden salad. So yeah, so just have a list of stuff I gotta get. Y'all know me and my yellow list every day. Yeah, look. Wonder what them taste like.
I don't know what kind I want.
Y'all, I was watching Yummy Bites video the other day, and she was eating these poppable sea salt chips, and they just look like this. They're so good. This tastes like Munchos, and we love Munchos, so I like them. They're really good. And guys, this is what I got those book rails for, so I could hang up my hats on my closet rack. And I think it looks really good. Like you can hang it up inside your closet too, but because I use this more than I actually use my closet, I decided to put them on here. I just put like my barrettes and stuff like that in this little bin that I got because I didn't they didn't have the other one I was looking for. So yeah, I just